How to completely uninstall and remove Microsoft Edge from Windows 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how can you uninstall Microsoft Edge from a Windows 11 computer. And if you're looking to get rid of it, I strongly suggest creating a restore point or backing up your system before proceeding. Once you have done that and you're ready to accept the risk, we can jump right into it. So start by opening a File Explorer. Select the taskbar icon or search for it. Then choose this PC on the left side and double-click on your local disk, which should have the Windows icon above it, and then navigate to the program files. Locate and double-click on the Microsoft folder and then find Edge folder inside and double-click on that. You should see an application folder, double-click on it. Finally, there should be a folder with the version number of Edge. Double-click on it and go down to the installer. Hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and right-click in an empty location in this window. Select Open PowerShell window over here. I will include a command in the description of my video. Copy and paste it into the PowerShell window and just copy it, then paste it with Ctrl+V and hit Enter. Select Yes if you receive a user account control prompt, and once you are done with that, if you try to open Edge, it should no longer be on your computer. It's pretty simple and straightforward. You won't see it open whenever you try to access it, and it has been removed from your computer. You can reinstall it. I hope this video helpful. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.